Hey everybody, today I'm showing you this cool handheld mattress vacuum. So it's designed to be used to clean your mattress. If you have pets, for example, you know the issue of hair, all kinds of things that end up on your mattress, and you have to vacuum it. And a regular one is maybe an overkill for it, and it's too big. This one has 16K Pascal power. You'll probably be able to use it in your car as well if you can find a way to power it. These guys were kind enough to send me this to test. Let's see what's inside. So it doesn't take a whole lot of space, and this is what you get. If you've used handheld vacuums in the past, you know what to expect. It said this is supposed to have more suction power, UVC, heat. That's all there is in the box. You get the main unit, you get your extra filter. You're supposed to be fragrance pads, supposed to have a UV light there. It's easy detachable. If I want to detach this, I just push this and this comes out, and then you can open this, for example, like that, and everything is pretty straightforward. This is your fragrance tab. It smells pretty good. Match this area to this area. See right there, you have your roller here. You open this, see this area here is where you're supposed to put this. So that's where it goes. You close it and you're set. Just put this back there. Give it a push. This opens the other side. You can remove all these parts for cleaning. You can see what's inside. You can wash this and dry it if you want. The installation process is pretty easy. Just make sure this lines up there, and once there you push it, and if you want to remove it like that, so you don't have to wrestle with it, it's just pretty straightforward. As long as it's lined up, it will go in like that. As far as the size, let's just measure this. Let's get the weight before turning this on. That's the weight pretty much. If you add this, so about 4 pounds. They do have warning signs, so you shouldn't expose anybody to the UV light. I've seen a lot of these that have a short cable, but this is super long, so that's not going to be an issue. So this is now ready to go. So that's how you switch mode. One thing I would say is that because I put that pad in there, it now actually starts to smell a lot better. It's sort of like using one of those deodorizers, if you will, but this is doing the job. Don't try this at home, but I'm going to show you guys the UV light. The trick is to push these inward. So let's see. I'm just gonna measure the temperature of this. They do tell you that this penetrates with 140 degrees temperature, and that's roughly what I got. See, this is pretty long. You're not gonna have any problem using this in any room. I do have a lot of cats. I assume if I use this, it will disturb them, but let's try it anyway. You see the stuff that's going in there? You see all this hair that I captured after just a little bit, a couple of minutes. So just clean that. I can wash the filter if I want. It's also smelling great because I added that pad there. You don't have to, but that's the whole purpose of buying something like this, because it has that extra feature. So now it's locked in. Just make sure this is lined up there, and then you push it and it secures it, and then you're ready to go. This works great on your sofa, on your bed. If you have pets like I do, it comes handy. Let's try it on something like this. I can open it from this side. Just completely remove this so I can wash this or do whatever I want. That's not working. It even works without that, so you can see the process. Just have to clean this. Look how much I picked up. Even though it looked clean from a distance, when you look at it, doesn't seem that bad. But if you have lots of pet, that's a problem. You could clean it with something like this or anything else that you have. And you push it, and that's it. I've removed my microphone just to show you guys the noise that comes out of this. Also, I want to use this on a rug, not just on a bed or sofa. And that thing that I put in front of it just as a test is also in there. I have my car in my garage, which is why it's actually dark. But even if you have it outside and you have a power station that can handle it, you can use this. So that's the car test. Again, it does the job. I don't see anything surprising about it. It's actually pretty powerful, especially at 100% to do these jobs. So I can pretty much empty the most part and do the cleaning afterwards. You can do it with a brush, but that's about it. Very easy to do and very easy to clean. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/gadgetify. Thanks for watching.